A couple's quick actions possibly saved a dog's life. However, some of the video we're about to show you may be hard to watch.
Ryan Bennett and his girlfriend were driving along Highway 110 in van Wednesday morning. They saw a trash bag moving along the side of the highway. Once they got closer, they realized there was a dog inside. Fate, as she's known, wasn't just tied up in trash bags. She had newspapers and trash glued to her body, and she was glued into the bags. Washing her and Dawn took care of much of the trash, but there was still some of it left.
In order for the groomer to take the paper that was still glued to her head and to her back to get that off, they actually had to shave her skin down. So that's caused quite a few sores on her back, the tops of her head, the backs of her legs.
Fate's now with her foster family because of how healthy the dog is and how well behaved she is. They believe she might have been taken and this done as a cruel prank. A report has been filed with the Smith County Sheriff's Office.